Eating a cake on your birthday, that's probably something everyone can enjoy, right? Wrong. People with allergies, and you probably know someone who has them, can't eat anything without making sure every ingredient has no contact to their allergen. Let's take Ducky for example. He just had a nice lunch out with his friends, but when he came home, he fell sick. He didn't even know how it happened, but somehow he ate peanuts, and he's allergic. Allergies happen because of a glitch in your body's security system. Harmless things like neighbors look like peas, and that sets off a false alarm. But scientists have been working on a breakthrough: anti-IgE monoclonal antibodies. I know, sounds confusing, but it's really not. Let's first take a look at how allergies work. Allergies involve three main cells: dendritic cells, the security guard; B cells, the factory workers; and T cells, the boss. Dendritic cells find the allergen and they show it to their boss. The T cells either turn into a Th1, chill guy, or a Th2, overdramatic dude. In allergic people, the T cells want to become overdramatic. They then tell the B cells to make IgE antibodies that bind to the mast cell. When the allergen comes back, it attaches to the other end of the IgE, and this causes cross-linking, which sets off the security system and forces the mast cell to release its contaminants like histamine. So how do anti-IgE monoclonal antibodies help? Well, they are genetically engineered proteins that bind to one end of the IgE, the end that usually binds to mast cells. This prevents the IgE from attaching to mast cells and therefore prevents the release of histamine, which means that the symptoms are greatly reduced. Omalizumab was the first approved antibody, and it's already being used to treat diseases like asthma. Scientists are now working on other drugs for food allergies, like ligelizumab, which is at phase 3 of its clinical trials. Just think, breakthroughs like this could one day allow Ducky to have Nutella with his friends without having to worry about anything.